SV830 MS flooring adhesive is a solvent-free adhesive specially designed for flooring installation. It features high bonding strength, wide material, compatibility, and eco-friendly performance. It is especially suitable